Let's make the most delicious strawberry and cream scones, and they're vegan too. Let's make the jam. Place the strawberries, sugar and lemon zest in a pan and cook down to a jam for about 15 minutes. To make the scones, place the flour, sugar, baking powder and vegan butter in a bowl and rub together. The jam is ready. Next, pour in the vegan cream and mix to a dough. Do not overmix. Roll out, cut into rounds and bake in the oven. While they're cooking, whip together the vegan cream, icing, sugar and some vanilla. Who'd have thought vegan can taste so good? Strawberry and cream scones. They're divine.